everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly. I have very happy Friday out there to everybody. Thank you for watching. I want to try some fake lashes. I have done them in the past, but I didn't like them. I don't know if it was the wrong glue, the wrong lash. I was inexperienced. I was whiny. I didn't do some research, and I just tried to wing it on myself. So I've watched some videos. I found a really great video, surprisingly, by a creator that I actually do really like. Her name is Zabrina. I will leave her information link down to her video that I'm referencing. I did take notes. So thank you, Zabrina, for doing a great how-to video, because I'm going to try your tricks. So if you're excited to see if I can get this done, stay tuned. We're going to get right into the video. Okay, I'm really nervous. I probably should have zoomed you in, you know, in the 10 seconds you didn't see me for the sec. I'm nervous. It is afternoon. It is Thursday. You pre-filming for tomorrow. I should have did this in the morning. I'm just nervous. I'm a nervous Nelly. Yeah. But anyways, like I had mentioned in the intro, I watched a few videos, but I didn't really find them helpful. They were just like, it's easy, just watch. And they weren't informational, I guess. They weren't the information I was looking for. I needed it step by step, why, and then demo. And Zabrina's video really hit home for me. So, like I said, I took notes. So... Probably not in order. I just kind of noted down and watched the video like 4 times. Anyways, she did say to use a liner, which I did just kind of smudge a black in my like lash line. I didn't do a liner. I couldn't find my liner, and then I found my liner. But I said I was nervous. Okay, so, and I also already put mascara on, so that's a step down. A couple that I had wrote down. She said to definitely curl your lashes and apply mascara because it does help blend your eyelashes into the false eyelashes, which I already did that. I'll have all the makeup I have on not linked, just listed down below in the description box. Anyways, okay. So I know I've mentioned this before, that I had went to Sephora. This very sweet lady working had some beautiful lashes, and I asked her what they were, and so I decided, okay, we're going to do this. So she does wear the House of Lashes Sephora collection. Valentina is what I did pick up. I also have the Sonia Kashuk black eyelash glue. This is latex free. My friend wears eyelashes. She works at Target too, so I asked her what she uses, and this was her favorite. But I also grabbed the Ardell Dual Lash Applicator, which is this little tweezer guy, because I'm nervous and I feel like I need to be very well prepared. You know, this might be a really bad flop video, but I don't know, I just really felt like filming actually sitting down and doing some research and then seeing if that makes a difference as to application, whether I like lashes. Like I said, I don't even remember when. I can even give you a date as far as when I tried lashes, what I tried, what I was using. I don't remember. I do remember they felt heavy, they felt wrong, they were itchy, and I'm assuming I did not have like a latex-free thing. Anyways, these feel really nice. They're really good quality. I forgot how much these were. $5, I think? They weren't bad. They do have the grippy part right here, and then they have this little pink rubber guy here. It says that the angle tip is to help secure them to your lash, so there is a little thing here so you can maybe not be so nervous while trying to do this. I don't know why I'm so nervous. I just and it's not, I want to wear these because, like I said, it's just, when I see other people have them on, I'm like, it really amplifies the look. It glams it up. I am a curious individual, and I want to experience all things beauty. There, I said it. That's probably why I can't figure out how to get in here. Okay, I do have the lashes. Oh, these are really pretty. I wanted something kind of semi-natural. I mean, false lashes aren't natural, but this is what my Sephora had in stock that I liked, so I did grab these. She does say when you take them off to pull down on the band like this to pull them off so that you don't misshapen, there we go, the lash. Okay, after you take them off, you're supposed to custom fit these. Should I zoom you in? Let's zoom you in a little bit. Okay, just have you zoom down just a little bit. So she says to custom fit these without putting glue on them first. I'm gonna end up pitting my hair. Just like one hair that's stuck to my face. I am so stinking nervous. I really don't know why. They look like they should be fun. Okay, I really like these because the longest obviously is in the center, and she says to place them in the center to kind of fit. Okay, yeah, these are way too big. So I need to do almost that whole last section here. Oh, I really am so nervous cutting these. We're going to try these on just one more time so I make sure that I have them like the right length. Nothing makes me more nervous, I think. Okay. I did have to trim a fair amount off, but she did say that these little chunks you can actually glue back on the lash and just have like a thicker outer or a thicker center, or split it up and put them where you want. So that's really cool. I will save this. I'm actually just going to stick it right in the little package for now. All right, let's get the other lash custom cut. So almost the same amount on the other side. Let me know down in the comments if you wear lashes, what you wear, or if you have any other tips. Like by the end of the video, if I'm doing something wrong or there's something I could improve on, please let me know. Okay, I have them trimmed. That took me some time. I had to take a breather and whatnot. Okay, next we're going to go in with the glue. I wasn't sure if I was supposed to, what glue I was supposed to get. Like I said, my friend, she likes this one, so I got this one. So if there's a better glue out there than this one, let me know. But for now, this is what we're going to go in with. Okay, Zabrina says to use a very light amount and then to hold it in a U shape. Oh, this is coming out quick. She says to let it dry, but she holds them in a U shape like this. Oops. So you can, she says to hold it while the glue sets for 30 seconds. And in the U shape like this, it helps to form the lash to the eye, like the natural U shape of your eye, I guess. I don't know. She said it helps prevent lift. So she owns the Inky Minky Lashes, so she's got to know her stuff, right? Oh, and I didn't look at the time. So has it been 30 seconds? Have I been rambling on for 30 seconds? Okay, we're going in. I am going to try the tool first just because, and this is what she used in her video. So she says to apply the center first. Okay, I actually really like this little tool. It feels like it's there. I mean, it's on. It's on my eye, not my eyelid, or it's on my eyelid. It's not on my eyelashes. She did say to make sure that that doesn't happen. That's not where you want to place it. I'm just worried that it's not secure, I guess. I'm just going to keep kind of pressing it in. Hopefully I'm still on camera and I didn't zoom you in too far. Okay, so there's one lash. It is kind of messy with the black glue, so maybe I need to get a different glue, or just, I could probably go in with a shadow and kind of clean it up. Let's try the other one. I mean, they're very comfortable. I can see them, so I don't know if that's like, I don't know if that's normal or not normal, or maybe I don't have them on right. I don't know. Do you guys, if you are a lash wearer, do you see them? Like, it almost, I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay, one more time. I didn't find that it was that hard. And it's definitely already more comfortable than the last time that I did wear lashes. So I definitely am going to say that whatever I used before was not right for my eye. Like I said, it was probably, I mean, I have crazy allergies. It most likely did have a latex glue, but I like them. I like that they don't seem bad. I mean, definitely tell me down in the comments. I feel like they really do open up my eyes. They seem pretty, I mean, natural for lashes being this long. Oh, I do like them. It didn't take me terribly long. Okay, next eye. I'm gonna stick with the tool just because it did help. Let's maybe turn it that way. Okay. Hopefully I get this straight and even. Wow, I really thought I couldn't talk doing my brows. This is even harder. I think I know why people say that they're going to do their lashes off camera. This is hard. Hard to talk, I should say. Oops, and I got glue up there. Is it gonna come off? Is it gonna come off? Mostly. Crisis averted. Okay, that one went on a lot faster. I'm just kind of pressing it in to my lid. Making sure that I have it placed. It looks like it's even. I think I did go off camera. I'm sorry. Okay, now that we have the lashes on, she does say to take the eyelash curler and lightly press your lashes with the false lashes just to kind of mesh them together. Oh wow, that made a big difference. Okay, but that is lashes. For the first time after doing actual research on what I should be doing, I can't stop looking at it. I definitely did screw up a little bit on this side, so I will, let me do that. I'm going to try to clean that up really quick with just the same shadow, which is from the Lorac Luxe Diamonds palette. I did go in with the Caviar shade down here, this black one, originally, so I'm going to go back in with that and see if maybe I can hide that a little bit. Might end up with a little bit more liner than I like, but that's okay. It is, oh, it is hiding it. Hopefully I'm not going off camera. I apologize if I am. It is tricky. I mean, just like if you have to go in and fix your shadow after you've done your mascara. So it is a little tricky like that, but it is doable. I feel like it is cleaning up really nice just with the shadow. I don't like wing liner. My hood flap comes past like the outer corner, so I don't ever, when I do a wing, it's like a mini wing. So I don't ever do like a thick wing. We're going to thicken this side though. It did really, really well on this side compared to the other side, but my nerves weren't as bad for this side. But I did a very simple look with the eye just because I wasn't sure. Okay, but that is a little bit of a close-up so you can see that I was able to kind of hide my glue mess that I did kind of create. So let's zoom you out for some final thoughts. So this is me kind of zoomed out with these lashes on. What are your thoughts? Please give me some feedback. You know, if they're not for me, then say, you know what, Kelly, I like you better without the lashes. Tell me. I'm open to that kind of criticism. They're comfortable. They've been on for about 20 minutes. Mom duties, I had to completely stop and then run upstairs. But anyways, so I've had them on for, you know, 20 minutes or so, and they still feel very light. I can see them, but I've also noticed, like, if I have a heavy mascara on, I can see the heavy mascara too. So my eyelashes are so sparse anyways, so I mean, it's just kind of odd to see the eyelashes. But yeah, I really, really like the look of these. I have just a very simple look on today, but I think they're very beautiful. And you know, I'm almost feel embarrassed that I was so afraid to try this. Why was I so afraid? This was definitely fun. And I don't know, honestly, I don't know what I was so afraid of. What was I so afraid of to try eyelashes? Everybody, I mean, it's part of the beauty community, and you know, I've done these beautiful looks before, and I'm like, oh, I wish I had more lashes, or maybe I was good at like the false lashes, and then I could, you know. So anyways, here's Kelly with some lashes. Let me know your thoughts. Do you wear lashes? What are your thoughts on false lashes? But yeah, definitely leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you think of these, the style, or just Kelly in lashes in general. But I will see everybody in the next video. I hope you have an amazing weekend. Bye!